Whoa, Indy. Yes, I will throw your ball. Give it here.
I don't know, some sort of mix. He used to come here, and I think he's coming back, but he's gone or something. And I had to go walk with him with his parents. And he's so shy around strangers, so that's why they wanted us.
Oh, really?
But, like, when I came to his house, like, he was home. Hey, oh yeah, calm down.
Okay, I got it.
Hey!
Good jump, Indy. Nice. Good boy.
Dude!
Wow, someone's getting a little excited.
I had to put my on your set for a little bit.
Yeah, that's fine.
Everyone's
What's the 20th dog, you know? Zoe, get your feet out of the bucket.
Stop barking, dude!
Yes, Kayla, looking lively. Indy. Yeah, get your ball back from Lulu. You get your ball back. That's probably more than enough.